Now, for the important bits, how do they actually sound? Although you cannot hear the sound because I don't have all the specialist audio gear to be able to do all that stuff, and they don't record directly to the device, only use them for calls, music, and stuff. These have got 12 millimeters dual magnetic drivers with a dynamic EQ algorithm that automatically adjusts based on what you're listening to. That's if you set it auto EQ anyways. These are larger drivers than you typically find in budget earbuds, which makes a real difference. I must tell you for a fact, the sound is genuinely impressive.